weeks of our lifetime so quickly fly by. They can't be retrieved even though we may try. Capture each moment, leave no voice behind. Every moment counts. Each day brings new challenge. Sometimes it seems tasks are so complex, resources too lean. You are the difference, the keeper of dreams, when every moment counts. The steps we take, the choice we make, the lasting gift of time. Every moment counts. Know that we've given our best and believe a child is a gift each one can achieve. A future, a promise, a chance to succeed. Every moment counts. Some will say we have a long way to go, and some may criticize. I believe we've come so far, and we must realize the steps we take, the choice we make, the lasting gift of time. Every moment, every moment, every moment counts. Many times I wouldn't listen, but he found a way to talk to me. At times I would say I'm just not able. He always finds a way to comfort me. You can hear him in a whispering wind at nighttime, or feel him in the light of your day. There's one thing now I realize. He speaks to you and me in different ways. Like a ship lost on the ocean, storm over a raging sea. When I find myself in the same situation, he always finds a way to come to me. You can hear him in a whispering wind at nighttime, or feel him in the light of your day. There's one thing now I realize. He speaks to you and me. He gives to you and me. God speaks to you, and He gives to you. God speaks to you and me in different ways.